Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem Gladiator water heater service needed light, what it means and how to reset. Common reason to service needed light turns on. Water leak. The heater detects water in the drain pan or at the bottom. Bad heating element. One of the heating element is not working properly. Sensor or thermostat issue. A sensor, thermostat or wire may be loose or faulty. Wi-Fi module problem. The Ethernet Wi-Fi module may have a connection error. Fix 1. Check for water leak. Look around the bottom of the water heater. If you find a leak, fix it and dry the leak sensor. Restart the water heater. Second one is check the heating element. Turn off the power, then inspect the heating element for damage. Replace the faulty element if needed. Third one is check the sensor and thermostat. Turn off the power, make sure all wires and sensor are connected securely. Reset the high limit switch if it has tripped. Fourth one, restart the Wi-Fi module. Restart the water heater, reconnect the Ethernet Wi-Fi module in the app. Check if the service needed light turns off. Fifth one is reset the water heater. Turn off the water heater, unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait 5 minutes, turn the power back on and check if the service needed light is gone. Thanks for watching.